Best festival? Festivals. People love festivals. They are fun. Festivals are held all over the world. Cheese Rolling Festival. This is a cheese rolling festival. People roll a big, round cheese down a hill. They have to race after the cheese. The first person to the bottom of the hill wins the cheese. Festival facts. Where? England. When? May. Tomato Festival. This is the Tomato Festival. People throw tomatoes at each other. The Tomato Festival is a very big food fight. Festival facts. Where? Spain. When? Summer. Mud Festival. This is the Mud Festival. The mud is good for your skin. People play in mud pools. People roll in mud pits. People throw mud. 2 million muddy people take part. Festival facts. Where? South Korea. When? Summer. Snow Festival. At the Snow Festival, people make snow and ice sculptures. People from around the world come to see the sculptures. Some sculptures are bigger than houses. Festival facts. Where? Japan. When? Winter. Mumba Festival. The Mumba Festival is all about having fun with your family. There are lots of ways to have fun at the festival. Some people dress up and jump into the river. Festival facts. Where? Australia. When? March. Festival of Colour. This is the Festival of Colour. Winter is over and it is time to have fun. People throw colourful powder at each other. The colours mean that spring is here. Festival facts. Where? North India. When? Spring. Twins Festival. At the Twins Festival, people think twins are good luck. Twins from all over the world take part. They sing and dance and have fun. Festival facts. Where? China. When? October. Groundhog Day Festival. This is the Groundhog Day Festival. People go to find out if spring will come soon. They use a groundhog for this. If the groundhog can see its shadow, there will be 6 more weeks of winter. But if the groundhog has no shadow, it means spring will come soon. Festival facts. Where? United States of America. When? Winter. Carabao Festival. Carabao are animals that work on farms. At the Carabao Festival, the farmers have fun and the carabao have a day off. Festival facts. Where? Philippines. When? May. Best festival?